Felix, what can we expect from tech earnings in China this week?
Yes, of course. So Tencent is definitely a big focus this week. Last week, we see Alibaba, all main business segment, reported a rebound, which signals a comeback after a year-long downturn. And for Tencent, we may see 20% jump in advertisement businesses. And even for its gaming businesses, we may see 10% jump. So overall, the Chinese tech sector, the sentiment is improving. And now we heard that China is wrapping up the crackdown, and they are supporting the private enterprise as well as the tech companies in order to support the economy. So we may see some good results during earnings announcement.
So we have Hon Hai reporting today. What are we watching there?
Well, we just mentioned a lot of optimism in the Chinese tech sector, but it may not be the case for the semiconductor industry. Just like Samsung, it reported the worst decline since 2009, and TSMC and also Qualcomm saying that the downturn after the pandemic may be longer than expected. So for Hon Hai, we may see 20% decline in the net income for this quarter, but we may see some support from the AI businesses in the second half of the year. So overall, any focus about or any updates about the shifting from China in order to expand in India for Hon Hai are something we are watching.
And Felix, of course, we continue to talk about the pressure on the Chinese property sector. Are we expecting any good news this week?
Yeah, so for this Friday, Longfor is going to report earnings. If you take a look to the portfolio, most of its project is in top tier 1 and tier 2 cities, while Country Gardens, most of them are in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So in terms of contracted sales, it already reported rebound for Longfor. So we may get some good signs for Longfor during the announcement. But of course, overall sentiments in the property sectors is extremely weak after the news of Country Garden. So basically, the credit crisis of the property sector is escalating for the moment.